Let's open a restaurant. Oh, look, here comes our first customer. Hello, Peppa Pig. What would you like today? I would like a sandwich and a grape juice, please. Okay, let's make the order. Here's our sandwich, 三明治. Now, let's make the grape juice. Oh no, the juice machine isn't working. What should we do? Let's try refilling the juice machine. Yay, now we have grape juice. 葡萄汁. Here you go, sandwich and grape juice. Enjoy your meal. Oh, here comes another customer. Hello, what would you like today? I would like the pasta meal with milk, please. Okay, let's prepare the meal. First, the pasta, 意大利面. Next, the soup, tāng. And now we have the milk, 牛奶. And here's a spoon for the soup, 汤匙. Oh wait, we forgot the fork for the pasta. Here it is. Now the meal is ready. Oh, here comes one more customer. Hello there. What would you like today? Hi, I would like the meal with burger, salad, and orange juice, please. Okay, let's prepare the meal and put it on the tray. First, the burger, 汉堡. Next, the salad, 沙拉. And some orange juice, 柳丁汁. And a fork for the salad, 叉子. Here we have burger, salad, and orange juice. Enjoy your meal. Wow, we served all of our customers today. Thank you for helping me serve the food, guys.